Wow, what a trip to Baja, California, sir. What an amazing trip, and so many different cities, locations, experiences. Hello friends, Duncan here. Currently located in the Atlanta airport, flying back from Baja. I've got one more leg to be able to get from Atlanta to Charleston, and then I'll be home. It's been a truly amazing couple of weeks in Baja, so have really enjoyed that. Visited so many different cities and so many different locations and had so many different experiences that kind of hard to encapsulate that in just a few words, but we'll attempt to do that once I get back to Charleston. Once I get back home, I'll have a chance to reflect on all of that and put that together. But I did want to tell you about one thing that happened to me on the way back that I was very surprised about, and that's when I was going through the Los Cabos security checkpoint. I have my camera bag. I've got two tripods that are on the side of it. One of them was the Ulanzi Carbon Fiber tripod. They pulled it out and they actually showed me a picture that they had of prohibited items, and tripods happened to be one of them, believe it or not. I don't know how that could somehow be used as a weapon or whatever it might be. So they gave me two choices. So one was that I could take the tripod and I could go put it in my checked baggage, which really wasn't an option because my bag was already checked and on the way. And the second option would be, of course, to leave it behind. Pretty much with that, I had really no clear option other than just to leave it behind, and it was a pretty expensive tripod. I would definitely recommend to you that if you're traveling, I would highly suggest to put your tripods in your checked baggage, and you could potentially avoid the scenario that I ran into. But other than that, good trip so far. We had a short 3+ hour flight from San Jose del Cabo to Atlanta. A little bit of a layover here, and then I've got one more flight to get back to Charleston. Hard to put that into just a few words. Definitely will be thinking about that and reflecting on all these wonderful places that I visited. We'll put a video together on that in the future. Just wanted to do a short update about my new camera lens. I am really enjoying this lens. I shoot with a Sony A7 Mark IV. Fantastic camera, super capable, really like it. But I've struggled a little bit with some of the lenses on that, especially for handheld vlogging, like what I'm doing right now. After doing a lot of research, I really want to thank Mark Bennett Camera Reviews for some of the reviews that he's done on this lens. But I'm using the Sony 20mm f1.8 lens, super wide. And just to give you an idea, if I reach my hand out, the camera is literally, I would say, 2 feet away from my face, and you can see the field of vision that you've got with it. It's really the perfect vlogging lens, and I really like that. The other thing that I've done is I've done a lot of street photography with this lens, and the interesting thing is because of the wide field of view, it really gives a little bit of distortion and a little bit of barrel view that really provides a unique perspective to some of the photos. So would really highly recommend this lens if you're thinking about it. Great addition to the arsenal, along with a good zoom lens.